Okay, so the topic that I've chosen for this um activity is linear regression, since out of all the regressions, linear is the most easiest one to explain. So it is a fundamental technique in machine learning. So what is linear regression? It is a statistical method for modeling the relationship between a dependent variable, which is the target, and one or more independent variables, which is the predictors. Basically, it predicts or explains outcomes. So there are two types of linear regression. Simple linear regression, which only includes one predictor, and multiple linear regression, which includes multiple predictors. So assumptions of linear regression. So there are assumptions for linear regressions that are the key conditions that must be met for the model to produce valid and unbiased results. So the first one is linearity, which is the relationship between x and y is linear. So it should be as a regression is named linear regression, it should be linear. So independence, observations are dependent of each other. So every observation that you have gathered should be dependent and doesn't have similar data as of as they should are supposed to be. So and there's also homoscedasticity, a statistical assumption that the variance of data points is similar across the different groups or samples. So homoscedasticity is an assumption that the people use to see if the variance of the data points across the data is different. So if they are similar, so then it is not a valid and it is a biased result. So normality, which are the errors are normally distributed. So in just my own understanding, all of them are almost similar, but yeah, they have their own purposes. So how do you use linear regression? So we use linear regression to collect data with dependent and independent variables. So first, we visualize the data to check for a linear trend. We use a tool or software, for example, Excel or Python. Python is included because um, it has a library which you can use regressions to check data. So to fit a line to the data. So use the lines equation to make predictions. So um, in in the given example, so when we make a linear regression, we have the x, which is the independent variable, and the y, which is the dependent variable. So let's say x is the weight of a or the weight of a person, and y is the height of a person. So between those data, we have countless datas in the center, which is the circle dots. So between those data, we put a line in the center, which is the linear regression. So we use the linear regression to um, find which is the data in between of those data. Like we can find what is the data that we want between those two data, between those variables. So let's say between the height and the weight, we can try to find the data of um maybe the appetite of a person, because appetite affects your body, which mainly is the weight. Height is included, but mostly it's the weight, so um it is still included, I think. Okay, so what are some applications of linear regression? We can use linear regression for predicting sales based on advertising budget, estimating the house prices using features like size, location, and number of rooms, analyzing the effect of study time on test scores. So these are the real world scenario examples. So I have one example right here. Um, so the scenario is a college student wants to predict their monthly expenses based on their weekly allowance. So let's say this is me. I have weekly allowance of let's say 500, and I'm boarding. So yeah, so we find the dependent variable, which is the monthly expenses, in a numerical form. We find that the independent variable, which is my weekly allowance, in also a numerical form, and the data type. Both variables are, if to see if the both variables are continuous, which is also numerical. This way, the student can analyze, or me can analyze past data to understand the relationship between their allowance and expenses and estimate how much they need to cover their monthly costs based on their current allowance using linear regression. So, this is one of the ways that we can use linear regression in our in the real world scenario. So, for the conclusion of linear scenario, linear regression is a foundational technique in data science and machine learning. So understanding its assumptions, applications, and limitations is crucial, since we can use it on real life scenarios, and practice implementing linear regression on real world data sets to gain deeper insights. And thank you for listening, and God bless.